I get this question all the time. Devin, should a small faceless channel batch thumbnails separately or package each upload end to end? For most beginners, package each upload end to end. Meaning topic, title, thumbnail, script, edit, publish, all as one unit. Why? Because at a small scale, your bottleneck usually is not design speed. It's picking the right angle, and thumbnails only work when they match the exact promise of the video. Here's the decision rule. If you're doing fewer than 8 videos a month, or you're still testing topics, do end-to-end packaging. If your channel already has repeatable formats, stable click-through patterns, and a clear visual style, then you can batch thumbnails separately. My simple framework is this. First, package per video. When you're still learning what gets clicks. Second, create thumbnail templates only after you've seen the same concept win multiple times. Third, batch thumbnails in groups only when the inputs are predictable. Same niche, same format, same audience promise. A good middle ground is to batch ideation, not final design. So you can brainstorm 10 thumbnail angles at once, but still finalize each thumbnail when that specific video is ready. If you want to organize that handoff cleanly, Satiro works well as the workflow layer between topic selection, packaging, and production. So, short version, small faceless channels should usually package each upload end to end first, then batch thumbnails later once the system is actually stable.